But welcome back to another one, Balingani Podcast, episode 13. Hamba King.
Ngu-13 King, ngiyahamba mlingane njani sangayethu?
Hayi kufaya King. Ukhala ngesekuside. Ngingamangalisa ukuthi ngakhala kubani.
Ngabe kungaviwa ngubani King khala kwakho nje wena nawubuka like
Ukhala kwakho kuviwa ngimi.
Kuvuka nguwe King. Yathi kuthi umuntu lofuna kuva kukhala kwendvodza. In fact nalenye out lengivama ukukhuluma nayo King lenhlathi utana naye ivama ukuthi kukhala kwehlula imboti kaChristmas King. Ibabathi.
Yeah, ngalokuthi ayina plan itawudliwa vele.
Itawudliwa King, yabathi yakhala kude igcina idliwe. So kukhala kwendvodza King, especially indvodza akuviwa ngumuntu uyabona. And that's a fact, that's a sad fact. Uyathi ukuthi that's a sad fact King. Ngibona amajita lamaningi akhala ngalento leyo. Ukuthi sometimes kuthiwa hayi kokusho na unenkingi ubongitshela baby kanjani athi nakasho lo mjita ukuthi nase kune argument later uyabona bese lento leyo kuba lithulusi leku kuthi hawo wena lokhalako
yabona King mangabe indvodza King itawukhala kubaby ale ndvodza leyo sekuphelele ngayo if itawukhala especially King le situation yethu thina King sivele sindima kukhulana King because yabona ngisungabe uyamchazela lo sisi ukuthi ekuse ungakwendi lo kuyenda kaso ungamove la uhamba khona kuyashisa usuke uthenga la ungani yafana musi belungu musibena njalo ke belungu bena njalo nema bathwathi ba reference letinye tive ukuthi natotenda njalo musi why wena ubeningi awusiko lokho wena kwakho usesemuva kakhulu wena kusafuna kuningi kusafuna ukulungisa labantu laba sebafikile esigabeni sekanjani ukuthi bangaphila la njalo wena usesesigabeni lesemva kakhulu nesive sakho nonke usamele wena ungamuvu la indlela umuva ngayo because le ndlela umuva ngayo wena kuyakubambelela yabona elukhanza kasodlela ema toilet udlelwa phasi kwesihlahla udlele epolini nesigaba sokuthi yasiphi yabona we are doing it uyabona asikho lapho siwe sinyama kube ngam King kufuneka ngabe sonke siyasebenza sabambisana but alendlela engayo King njengoba uchaza bese sekhalwa kathi hawu wena uyakhala wena ubuye uyakhumbula kananga leli awutolila la kimi la mara kusosilile kubo seningi lethu King sigcina tiphilela so nje King philisa bombanzamane at least banzamane bekane bafata abaningi
yabo mbanzamane King bebaphila fly bombanzamane bo bephila fly let genge leta sengikuthi wona mlingane angadi man thina tinfo letinenge especially kule Africa leseningizimu akufuni istikophe kubantu base Europe akufuni istikophe kubantu base Asia because lo mnotho wethu nale society yethu King is thina saphila kuma stone ages King ukuthi sinenhlanhla nje ukuthi sinemafoni uyabona like sinefone sinemoto but truthfully we are stone age people King kufuna siphilise kwema stone age people kufuna sibambisane kwema stone age people invele buhlungu wena mlingani ukuthi uma ungasakhali kulesithandwa sakho utawukhala kubani
ngisho khona
because King the fact King
ufuna ukhale kuwe
funa ukhale kuwe because kunema 2000 King anemahlombe wathi 2000 anemahlombe labandi King longakhalela kulo ngiyakulalela lokho ma 2000 because kona seku emotionally kwakhula kwasendlula thina le generation yethu ayikhona ukukhula emotionally again
yabona futhi nje especially thina King the age the group yethu i-generation the group yethu engiyo lengisaba kakhulu le group yethu King dangerous kakhulu le group yethu hayi lethu King group hayi dangerous kakhulu yabona le group yethu angeli umalume wandile le group leya inconywana le group yabo angeke yabona lethu lethu brutal lethu king kufika nje Swatini usosembabane wendana ubhizinkani kwendekani uva ngathi usemuva like kufuna ifihle king mangabe kude lokwendeka ke lifini yakho le group yethu yabona kuma 2000 king kuma 2000 king kuma 2000 kuyakwati ukublender tiyathi nokwendekani yabona ihasti kuskhiphana yabona into letinayo le masele hasip because ivele ngala mafoni nama internet nanani tinalo masele hasip nemahlonti kakhulu njengathi thina king sikule generation beyihopeful thina I promise you sikule generation thina lebethe bama pilots ngaba pilot mankhula ndaba yana thina sitala ma 80s kids la ma 80s yes boma 80s boma 90s yabona sikhule ngale yakhona bese king yabona States king ma Craig Babies bo Kendrick sikhule age bo Kendrick nabo yabona machitala ukuthi yathi bese hopeful bese thina la Africa king yasihitha the train better kakhulu king especially
le reality
thina mayisihitha king kwavela ukuthi hayi akusinjalo mfana it's real here and asco train that's why
king
that's why ke king age group king abemaningi nama suicide king and anyalo sawubona king maphoyiseni kuphi machitela amaningi atibulala especially the age group here again ngale ndlela esicabanga ngayo sesesikolweni
maneng king and the disadvantage lesbenayo thine and I'm talking big facts king yabona bo nawubeka nje bo angele wandile bo olady bethu nanani those were the last people king labakhule bamaswati or bama Africa yabona thina king sikhule sekufika lokubaleka from lobuswati uyabona ukuthi asasiyo maswati sasimalulwane thina siyi generation lemalulwane because asasiyo maswati asiyo mangisi uyabona sibakhulisile after thina sibakhulise ngesilungu labo seba bane identity thina sikhule in the mix king ukuthi ululwane esikolweni kunama principles esilungu ekhaya uyabo usindfu awusisho ukuthi kwendekani and ubona active king ubona success bani baphumelela ubukela bo generation banemsebenzi fly bashayela imoto let fly king bokhanya imbawo remember khanya imbawo king nemalambo ukhona king ubona lento lethu cabanga ukuthi possible kani kune train reality king letako letokushayisa ihamba 300 kilometers per hour ngo
that's why it's the king is cool sinema hope yabona sikhule hopeful the age group yethu king the age group yethu abantu king lesikhule nabo in that time laba South Africa king ba successful blind abakhule nathi in that time laba South Africa ba successful blind laba kubona MIPA and all the other countries king ngibona kuma TV ngibona bama sports what ngibona bama anchor understand angengikhulume ngabo states and them very powerful kakhulu maybe Zimbabwe but abanye ba government king ba whatever I don't know but kids ngala hayi asingaye nganini kuse hayi siyasokola baba ngala ngisokola
wata king
yeah bro ene ke lo muntu king le counterpart yakho king lothi wena ufuna ukukhala kuyo uyabona ukuthi king lo muntu senkingeni ngana naye king ithi wena is shoulder to cry on I'm a king king angifuni mashoda lawo angafuni mashoda lawo king babhala Facebook nyalo king mokhalile masenhlukana uvela king babhala Facebook wow Cry Baby lena ngambona strong so atenda lo strong so Cry Baby wahluleka lana inini ngamzama imbona nje agqoka so ngimi dog I promise you king and the only way king because ukuthi la sikhala khona thini uyisolve valendo king is that tight drop king from Nangzal, from Patel or from this now build it. Yeah, it's a tree and that drop from build it king. You take yourself out because good utakala mama bekunko kwakho lobukhala kuye king washona naye. Yabona. Sesekude king ngenyalo senguwe nawe. And if you weak mental king out of high easy
and many masocha king lahlekele which is why king I think mina sekufuna thine for our generation kufuna sende ama solutions ekuse. That's why bengifuna ukukhuluma nawe nje King uthi kufuna sikangwane ngifuna kwathi King uthi ekuse umuntu lode imali ngiyabekisa King ukuthi maybe now una 250 rand ngenyanga ufuna kuinvest ungainvesta kuphi ekuse i-investment le safe ngibone bathi kunabo Stanley lapha ebole nifule ngisho King lo ukuthi asisendele ukuthi uyonjinga umuntu lomusha uyabona sesendele ukuthi uyoba nedlela ndongeni naso retire because I think we have to look into those things King ukuthi uma umuntu load imali lenengi ngwaneke sithi hayi hamba thenga ama truck uyabona what can you do as the out or as the ma'am ulithishela ufuna ku retire comfortably yabo ufuna kuba nempilo le comfortable so tsiniwe ku actor uyabona you are tired of acting tough acting ngathi unemali so ufuna kuba real now it's one on one with yourself so ufuna kuba real ukuthi ekuse ngabe yini lengingayenda la nginga investa khona imali yami kuze ngindondondlobala yabo kulesimo lengikuso because the jobs that were promised King ageti. And that's a fact. Nalo nayo ijob nyalo ayibhadali you know ayibhadali.
And King, the truth is the jobs that were promised afika. But you realize the jobs that you were promised is the job you have now. That's the job you were promised. But ayibhadali ngalendlela obukabanga ngayo.
So nyalo King sekufuna salisibuka King ukuthi yini lesingayenda lo supplementary income because masodla amanengi or South Africa bekaphila kule economy ensango King le economy ensango ayisekho seyicrashide nyalo and multiple factors King kunabantu labanemali lababonile ukuthi insango inemali and they bulldozed lalabet imali out of the game kwangena bona so ayisekho lento leyo so nyalo King we have to think about yini longayenda and we have to come back isibeke i-report kulabalaleli ukuthi yini King uyangiva bafana
yeah King ngilalele wena yini kwento ucabanga ngikufa
angibone ama waves ami lana King
ngiyabona mina King kuleke
alright
yeah
okay so ngiyole ngisho komlengani ukuthi kufuna sibene ukuthi yini longayenda kuze sidlondlobale because I can assure you King unikelile sontweni wazila touch your neighbor King uthi unikelile sontweni wazila wathandaza faithfully uyabona faithfully watenda into faithfully waya King uswala uyabona wakuwasha swala wakunika wakunika amakhathakhatha wakuthembisa ukuthi into kwendekani letino lento King atikendeki and that's a fact uyabona uthinsele TV kushumayela Bushiri wa receiver uyabona you receive nginemanga emhlungu kudeni bantu laba receivile
King usikude into King ngiyifisa King kube bantu King especially bantu abamnyama King ukuthi ba realize ukuthi TV King nekuthinza amakhelwane wakho King nekunikela ukhala ukuthi sinyembezi kube lengadi dingaphuma angeke kukuside financially manga kuba khona
imali
singabuilda into lenkulu kakhulu King ngale mali leyo labayinikelako nanani siwe sehlanganisa le mali leyo King is builder something ku-success and ama-investments la so yabona ngalo knowledge nyana lesinawo King mina nawe ngisho ukuthi King singawakhe ama-meter athide in 10 years lebantu King 20 say the gents I said then so because King say call knowledge it's all about the movement King the moving and unakile King especially level incane kingdom King ukuthi bantu abaningi bethe le info yabona le 411 ukuthi kusenga move kanjani mangabe khona le info King kwanze ukuthi kude letindlela tekuyenda le kingdom lencane you understand so uthile lesikhona usikhona kuphuma ngala kingdom King yinse khona kufuna sibone letimbobo ukuthi la then sebuye sahlanga exagents lapha ema loopholes ema potholes singayifaka so esikhathini esingaka ngaba kaso and ukwenda King ngalendlela ukuthi lelo King kuwende ama pyramid scheme nawe njengabo bantu wena into le clear
akufuneka i-pyramid scheme King kufuneka info le clear because sasibukela likusasa lebantfu king igeneration yethu yasokola king and now people are realizing king ukuthi lo fake awufake emasudu ufake king uthathe maloni uthenge imoto wendeni people are realizing king ukuthi lento leyo nyala isasebenzi uyabona bazilile bantu king bathenga ama miracle money but kukhona king asengino confess at into embarrassing khona makhelwane wami lapha ekhaya wangibona nje like he just going through it uyabona wangibona ekuseva going through it wase yathi nami umfundisi lo ngalanga kubombekelweni king u strong asambe uyabona asiyocela umthandazo I was skeptical king uyabona sahamba king safika sangena ibona king yabona awunangena lamnyango king ingena iyafika emalamnyango king 1 minute yasiyangena kwacimka abantu bawo lo mfundisi king nasangena la nkonzweni
it's a church isengena esontweni
it's a big church king singena la sontweni wangena umfundisi wawaqim wabantu yabona obamadima king kwathandazwa lenkonzo beyimadima it was a strong nkonzo egcineni kwathiwa if ufuna tinfo takho tokuhambela kahle yabona kunemandi lathengiswako apackage grand king lamandi angema 1 liter ama 20 liter uhamba nawo if kwendeka lokho uthi awufike wende wona na ufuna inhlanhla utawenda lokho na ufuna yona ngawathenga I wanna say ngathenga 2 duludulu because I didn't want to let the guy down uyabona but nangibuka king simo sami nesimo sakhe asishinjanga ngale situation leyo
yakena ukuthi kwende kahle okay ngokujeza kwende kahle isimo sakho nesakhe saba west king because imali nayo embekelweni king ingazama ngiyabamba maybe 2 days ngisiphile le imali leyo king sorry le imali leyo king sentawulamba King wabonile mastike emva kwetimoto nanani king kwaba west so yathi buta le idea ukuthi king nemjijelo nemali yonke lohleli samoyede etuleni king uphethe yonke le mali yakho king mema akafuni nayo uyabona ufuna umncenge lomjito ukuthi yakunike le mali ufuna uzile ufuna ulambe akubotha ifuna bamba le mali lomjito yabona bese sokunika njalo ro yacasha umsebenzi akade umjito ukuthi implan yakhe but yabona idea leyo king asisipose kancane asisizamele nithini just invest silime manje sinemhlaba sidayise let's just trade let's do something king yabona idea kusenza amakherena ama TV yakutshela mncingile yakhuphe kakhulu
so ngifuna sinyalo siyo research mina nawe le ukuthi unafuna uinvest imali king nawufuna ngiyabekisa nje maybe na 5 clipper per month ungayifaka kuphi kunabo JSC king kunabo Stanley kunabo Building Society we have to compile the information leyo king sibuye sinike balaleli in an actionable plan because info lendeka ibhlungu king bengifunza online ngifundela sinye story king bathi iRussia ifike iphoche masocha king ngale generation yethu yabo because lapha kuyafiwa lapha eUkraine naseRussia saphelile amajita la ngalwa lapha kahlehle so bafika la Africa king ba recruit amajita la our age oyanga yabo because siyahluphekela bathi kuse stakuthatha weRussia you're not going to the front line utofike wena maybe uto assista ngama logistics nani nawufika lena king wehla bakunika bakufundisa spam maybe 2-3 days ka so bakuthatha bakubeka ku front line and the way labayichaza ngakhona kule news attack le bayishow king usually within a week useboxing noma sebakuba captureshile ngale because awadi kuba lisoja eAfrica king side masoja anganoma uyangiva yini
awuyancane king I want you to run it back mabafika la Africa king ba government wale level lelo ori bakuphocha estradini ori kunema organization labakuthola through wona how do they do that recruiting
abayi government king because lama government nje bekhala bo government baleki lamave bo Togo bobani bakhaliswa ukuthi banetimpi internally king iRussia ifike iphocha emasotsha abo so nebaye government ba recruiter straight lelisotsha uyabona bathi say hayi kutoba maybe assignment yeminyaka utobamba $30,000 uyabona ukusita nje ma logistics bakwakhela visa king undize and allegedly king umkhondo wesizwe uhambisa at least 11 wemajita ngalendlela le allegedly angade angabona umfakazi bakhona but bathi khona abantu labayi Russia bahambe through umkhondo wesizwe now bafika le king but trainer 2 or 3 wemalanga 4 bakunika sibhamu yak frontline uyafa or back capture because ngilento bengisho king ukuthi thine mina angade kusekuke badibana elisotsha wona Africa king
okay ngikugama bathi masotsha king ngihlangene nawo angijimisa blind ashaya amaphesa kakhulu angathi king uthi wena usho kanjani si sotsha nge-definition yakho yini sotsha because mina king ngishelo kona because angaze ngiphume la Africa bangitshela ukuthi mawagcoka uniform leyana abantu king igama labo kuthiwa masotsha
nawugcokela uniform shothi king mina ngafaka stethoscope ngifake ama scrubs ngifake amancaphi sengiyidokotela ngakuthi
ngalokuthi ufunze king 4 years king asho ukuthi uhambe ufunze lo 5 years udokotela king ukhanze esibhedlela vele kuthele imjovo vele ucheck ematinyo inini ngithi ungudokotela king angathi wena ukuthi le angle lota ngayo yesotsha king usho kanjani yini lisotsha kuwe wena njengoba sohambile umhlaba king awabone masotsha
mina ngicabanga lisotsha king ngicabanga umuntu lo cashwa nguhulumende wamcashela ukuthi or lo volunteer cashwa nguhulumende or lo volunteer wamtrainela ukuthi avikele live nebantu labalaveni
hayi ngisengalithola king lisotsha le makunjalo because ubonke mina mawutholile king abakazi bangivikele mina bebatrapa mina because lisotsha king alingenelani le-civilian uyabona
lisotsha umsebenzi walo king kuvikela le-civilian
no
by definition
lesinawo la Africa thina king ashaya imhama because le-civilian
shothi ma-security force lawo
e-border gate ashaya imhama king funa wasabe la sebasaba ke thina masotsha king lesinawo la king ayapraise king kuleti nkulumo ngawo kuleti nkulumo ngawo okay ucadi kasatshwa king nefike king bakithi very shake
security force lelo king neke belisotsha mina king sengingawubona masotsha nginemngane actually lo lisotsha uma ubona lisotsha king ufuna wathi ukuthi so safe uma ke kwendeka you'll know ukuthi ubona lisotsha because we over inside way ukuthi hayi yabona lo sengisafe king nangu lo mjitha lekufuna ngibalekele kuye ngimchazele ukuthi ekuse nyalo kwendeka nakna wathatha ivow lo mjitha leyo king ukuthi uyovikela wena as a civilian. That's how you know. See,
there's now in the king by weapon formed against us.
So those are security forces, king, which is okay. They're there for security. But labanye bacantsi bamasotsha king bahambe baye eRussia bayokurola impi eRussia neUkraine bafike bafe because babathembisa imali. And the fact ukuthi sebakuthembisa imali king awusasilo soldier so i-mercenary.
Yeah. Mercenary lapho king ma mercenaries king la bhatalwako ukuthi bakwende ma mission
the soldier can fight for free. In fact amasotsha lamanengi king athola ku stipend kokuphila akaholi ukuthi uyahola utoba grand utoba khalkha athola ku stipend king kokuphila mina nje my friends wala ngiwatiko lawa masotsha la Melika bahamba bajima for 2 days per month bathola ku stipend unamsebenzi wakhe lomjita lomnyela wendako civilian job yabona but uma sekune situation king letting up soldier lenkampani yati ukuthi lomjita lo king ngendeka bambite anytime ayo handle ama situations that zinge masotsha
Yeah.
So yena imithetho yakhe lamsebentini ayifani nale yenu uyabona because yena ulisotsha wathatha ivow yekuvikela bantfu ngenteka kube yomtshela bathi bamshiya ukuthi kudzingeka amajita lana kude nemajita lowakenako uyabona sitabanika imali.
Yeah, because angisho phela nemkhondo nawo watraina le kulamajita le babahleplela lokuncane uyabona ngalesikhathi se-apartheid babanike ama-AK nanani mhlawumbe ukuthi yabo why Putin basachubeka nalembi King
Angibati King ego timbile tiningi ma-ego King again a lot of wars ma-ego
because
ego
useful
office.
What are we fighting for? What are these guys fighting for, King?
About King.
I think maybe they're selling guns or someone is selling guns. There's a big company who's selling guns and all this armor. So
Don't timbi mlingani tibangwa ngiloko ukuthi kufuna nemjita lekufuna athengise tibhamu wakhe imali phela impi is expensive impi kwakhe imali ngetimbi King but nje ya kunema rumor King allege ukuthi kunemajita lasukile eMzansi through le part umkhondo wesive allegedly because angabona ubufakazi baloko yale enayafa lama Africans lena King lamave lawa la se West bo Russia bo China bo banibani kude lelive lelo King leli ngumngani wethu
angikukhumbuli nami King
kude lingamane back scam but nyalo with a smile before King back scam abaphethe Spakatano yabona nabahlephula iAfrica kule scramble for Africa back scam abaphethe Spakatano senda lobulima lesabenda ke sacosha bongami la King babona ukuthi okay nasibuya nyalo kufuna sibuye with a smile yabona but underneath King the scam is still ongoing.
No leqiniso lethi King nje kude bongami labahamba kahle kahle bangibuka mina bashiya nje amajita abo King they're still running this thing nice and smooth angisho nyalo King sebavotela bongami la King banesikhumba lesinjengathi bamnyama njengathi nabo ba bo King but every month kufuna bo reporter King ema-ofisini esingawadi thina somewhere it's okay lapha kwenteka sonya lokwenteka so ngicela ukuthi umuve so konje lo khotmane lengisirili King le lena King ngifuna ukuyena King nema-office nakulo ngeke ungene kuwo wena
But Cyril King bekwatiwa from long time ago ukuthi ungilendo leyo
yalo kunama-Pakistan ngama-Palestine lamajita langa esenang le King afikile la Mzansi King ngendiza allegedly lamajita King awele yonke lamavele amanye King ngephutha because uthi nasirina yakade silamajita bekatukude kwentekeni
kwenda njani
ehle OR Tambo lamajita King akanama-passport akana-fohol
King indiza kuze ide nayita nebantu kunema procedure lendekako before mina nangithi ngiyagibela nje ngisuka la New York King eJohannesburg kune procedure lekufuna yendeke before babe aware eJohannesburg ukuthi kutabani utanini nabani yabo beforehand. I'm coming so mina lenye into ithini operation Dudula King ngamajita lawo because ikufuna ivakala phela nayikhuluma ngoba nakuma Africans ikhona lekukhuluma ithi 10
i-mute angayiva ukukhuluma
definitely King asengithi
it's all about you King it's all about being black we hate you
kuxosha ama-Africa but phela operation Dudula King ngoba laba ama-immigrants kufuna kube khona lekushoko noma bakhulumana kumashangane or kumZimbabwe or kumuntu waseMalawi kuphela
yeah akumvulo njengabo bamfuni King bathanza imvulo lomhlophe yabona and ngidafika ukubona khona ukuthi lama situation abo operation Dudula King kunema checks esaqala kungena nyalo labo chair ngisho
bafandiwe King ukuthi ba create i-disorder
yeah
kunema-check okutholako
yeah
hey no King kufuna ngibaleke bafana nginelihambo ngiyakhabokhanye namuhla
hayi King angiyiboni inkinga right awube bengithomba itole
ngihamba namuhla King ngiyakhabokhanye
hayi Chicago it is King
Yeah, so sitawukhuluma. I'm gonna try maybe nangile ukuthi sishaye episode, but if singayishayi naku balaleli banako lokuncane, but ngidinika le homework King ukuthi we have to find the thing ukuthi yini
Yeah.
umuntu langayenda ukuze ainvest imali yakhe atoba grand, because le maphupho lesithengiselwe wona akekho King, and that's a fact.
It's a fact, King. Ami nginako lokukhola kunako, King. Ngithi kwanyalo kusafuna ukustructureisha ukuthi kume kahle. Especially uma ufuna ukupresent
Aye.
ebantwini.
Yeah, nafuna ukupresent ebantwini King, funa kube well structured lento lo show, funa ibe funa uyivalidate wena kuqala.
Yeah.
Hayi, sitawukhuluma King, ngiyabonga mlingane.
Fire.
Fine.